In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to a page on your Squarespace website, Spotify, mp3, Soundcloud, and album examples. We'll walk through 4 practical ways to get music onto your site: embedding from Spotify, embedding from SoundCloud, uploading your own mp3, using Squarespace's built-in player, and showcasing a full album. I'll also share a few simple styling pointers so your player looks like it belongs on your page. Let's start with Spotify. Open Spotify and find the song, playlist, or album you want to feature. Click the 3 dots, choose Share, then Embed Track. Copy the embed code it provides. Now switch to your Squarespace page, enter Edit Mode, and click the plus button where you want the player to appear. Choose Code Block, paste the embed code, click Apply, and then save the page. If you need to fine-tune spacing, adjust the block's placement or tweak width and height values in the embed code. Always preview on mobile to make sure it scales nicely. Note that most browsers block autoplay, so plan on a click-to-play experience. For SoundCloud, the flow is nearly identical. Open your track, playlist, or album on SoundCloud, click Share, then Embed, and copy the iframe code. Back in Squarespace, add a code block and paste it in. SoundCloud's embed window lets you pick a visual style and optional settings before you copy, so choose the look you want up front. Again, preview on different devices for layout and tap targets. If you have your own mp3, use the audio block for a native Squarespace player. In the editor, click the plus button and select audio block. Click Upload File and choose your mp3. You can add a title, artist name, and a cover image for a polished feel. Save the block and you'll see a clean built-in player. To keep pages fast, consider reasonably compressed files and make sure you have the right to host and stream the track. To present a full album, you have 2 options. You can build it natively by adding 1 audio block per track within a dedicated section or gallery page, complete with track titles, artwork, and brief descriptions. Or, if your album already lives on Spotify or SoundCloud, embed the album using the same steps you used for a single track. Finally, to align the player with your brand, Squarespace supports custom CSS on business plans and higher. You can refine spacing and surrounding styles, but third-party iframes have limited direct customization. Where available, set themes and colors in the provider's embed settings and aim for strong contrast for accessibility. When you're done, click Apply and Save, then preview on desktop and mobile to confirm everything looks and plays smoothly.